This is Peter. He has autism and needs help from his teachers and parents for many things. But now he can handle a lot of it himself by using the ScanHow app, which makes his smartphone and tablet his personal helper. With ScanHow, people around Peter can easily create instructions that are tailored to Peter's personal abilities and needs for laundry, cooking, work tasks, and much more. Each set of instructions is associated with a unique QR code, which is printed out and set up in the places where Peter needs help. When Peter needs help, he scans the QR code with the app, and then the instructions appear on his smartphone or tablet. This way, Peter can be more independent in his daily life, and some things he will learn faster than before, because help is always at his fingertips, 24/7, and in whatever format works best for him, be that text, images, audio, or video. Peter's need for help changes as he learns. Therefore, some instructions can be made simpler or shorter in time, or they can be replaced entirely. This is easily done and does not require new QR codes. And those who help Peter can use the way the instructions develop to document the results they have helped Peter achieve. ScanHow helps Peter with lots of simple things that people around him used to have to help him with. This means they now have more time to plan and prepare new learning processes and experiences for Peter instead. ScanHow also assures Peter that people around him understand his needs for help. Because even if Peter's teacher moves to a different school, Peter will still have the instructions that were made for him by the teacher. And if Peter himself moves to a different school, he can take ScanHow and the instructions with him to his new placement. At Peter's school, the employees can use ScanHow to help each other. For instance, they create instructions for Olivia's physiotherapy exercises, Olay's diabetes medication, and for how to use the printer. They do this to ensure consistency in the way the employees help the students. And for new employees and substitute teachers, ScanHow's instructions are an important support for getting started on the right foot. ScanHow is cloud-based, so all instructions are always stored online and accessible anywhere. Of course, only to people who are authorized to see them, and in accordance with the EU General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. This is Peter again. He got a job, and now he is telling his new boss about ScanHow. The boss is very interested in getting started with ScanHow, both for Peter's sake and for the sake of the workplace.